Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on RHEL 10. Okay, by default we will get the Firefox. So open the default web browser, then go to Tor official website, that is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD, downloads, ls. Now, see, this is the gun zip. This is a zip file. We have to unzip. tar-xf give tar, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. See, you have successfully extracted. Now go to extracted folder, that is tar browser, hit enter, ls. Now we have to run this file, that is ./start, give the tab to autofill entire .desktop file name, hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, got the Tor browser. Now click on connect, or if you want to connect automatically always, select this checkbox and click on connect. See, now it is connecting to Tor. And see here you don't use sudo or run this command with root, then it will throw error. Okay. See, you have successfully connected to Tor browser. And the default search engine for the Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. Now go to here, go one more directory up, ls. This zip file is not required, so copy this one, delete it. rm, give the file name, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor browser on RHEL 10. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.